In this example, we're going to go for a more filmic and cinematic effect on our scene. You can see just 4 effects used, the most impactful of which is the color grading. Here we have changed our tone mapping to aces for that cinematic effect, and this has quite an impact on the scene. We've added in bloom to increase the vibrancy of lights in the scene, so this is picking up our directional light and our rim light to create this light halo effect. We've increased the intensity here to try and create that. The vignette, again, bit dark around the edges to close in our viewer's perspective. And last but not least, our depth of field to bring the focus in to what's important in the scene. A quick fly through in the level shows us the effect this can have when in motion.